Good morning, Panthers. Basically, yesterday you guys were supposed to make a model of the classroom with dimensions. And so today you're going to actually try to recreate that model on your computer using a program called Revit. And so one of the first things you need to do is log into Schoology. And so as you can see, I'm in the GTT, Energy and the Environment. And I went and opened up, I'm going to actually go back a page. So you can see the one I opened up here is, I'm going to move this down a little bit, Model of Classroom on Revit. So when I open that one up, I will see that there's two documents in there. One, creating a classroom, and the other one is Classroom Revit Tutorial. And so we're going to start with the first one, creating a classroom. So basically creating a classroom, the main thing that's on there is it kind of goes through the procedure. So I'm just going to jump right down to the procedure. You can sure go ahead and read through the rest of this, but I just want to point out the things that they are looking for when you use Revit on the computer. So you're going to use your dimension sketch of your classroom from yesterday's activity, and with that sketch you're going to ensure that you are going to put in the walls, windows, and doors. And so you're going to use the Revit tutorial, which is on the other page, to complete the walls, doors, and windows using the measurements of the classroom. And then you're going to add in furniture, appliances, other components found in your classroom. You're going to rotate and move them around so they're kind of in the right location in the classroom. And then finally you're going to add a floor. And then you're going to actually add a roof too. Even though technically there's not really a roof, but there's a ceiling, we're going to just practice creating a roof. And then after that, if you finish early, you can practice changing the style of the classroom. So now I'm going to jump over to the tutorial. And so it says, step 1, open Revit from your desktop. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to minimize this window, and this one, and this one, and exit that out, and of course it froze up, and I'm going to exit that out, and it's not going to let me minimize it, I suppose. Alright, so I tried with my Revit. We're going to try it again, but it looks to me like my license is not going to work. And hopefully, but this is the one you want to open up, Autodesk Revit. Hopefully this is not going to be a problem for you guys today. But if it is, we'll just have to go back to finishing up things that we haven't gotten done yet. So it says unable to obtain a network license, and so I doubt I'm going to be able to do much. But I'm going to go ahead and enter the demo mode, and then I'm going to close out this. And so if I go back to my directions, it says open Revit from desktop, choose new under products. So I'm going to go under, and go to new, and what I want to use, I prefer, for this I'm going to use inches, so I'm going to go imperial. And I'm going to go back to my directions now, and I'm going to select architectural template and click OK. So let's go back, see if that's over here. Move this up, and I'm going to go over here, and floor plan level 1. I'm hoping that this is already an architectural template then, because I'm not seeing it otherwise. And so basically what I want you to do is I want you to just try to go through the directions on here and try to make a floor plan of our classroom. And because I wasn't able to open up the correct Revit, That's probably why I can't find my where it says architectural templates, because when I did new project, that this here did not pop up. This was not an option. And so if you have to do the demo version, it's probably not going to work for you. But we'll find out tomorrow. Alright, good luck. I'll talk to you probably not till Monday.